Create a web page. How to create a web page for a beginner. Creating a web page or site is one of the most important things you can do for your own business. If it is for personal reasons, the benefits are no different. If you don't already have a business, then it is a great low-risk way to get started. Having your own website is not expensive, and you can get started and have your website up and running in the next few days if you want to. It's really that simple. The fact that you are reading this article suggests that you are in search of a simple step-by-step procedure on how to actually get started. The truth is, a lot of information exists online as to how to create a web page. The challenge, however, that confronts many people, especially beginners, who are starting out online, is that they run the risk of becoming a victim of information overload. I was at a similar position when I first started, and trust me, it can be really frustrating to find the most basic, step-by-step guide on how to get a web business up and running. If that is your reason for wanting to create a web page, well, guess what? It does not have to be complicated as some would make it appear to be. There are so-called gurus, who apparently seem to be out to leave you in the dark than to illuminate your knowledge. In fact, you do not need to know all that HTML stuff and computer coding to get a kick-butting web page or site up and running. There is really no hidden inside secret to getting a web page up and running. What is really needed is your willingness to learn a few skills and your patience to stick with the task until you have accomplished your goal. You do not need to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to web page developers when you can achieve the same results on your own. But, if you choose to go with hiring a website guru, it is really your decision in the long run. The objective of this article is to provide an alternative to beginners who maybe are pressed for cash and want to take the bull by the horn, so to speak, in establishing a web page, be it for personal or business reasons. As you start the journey of designing your web page, the following steps are the very basic you will need to get your business accessible to the world. Point 1. Define the objectives for your page. 2. Design the page. 3. Structure the page. 4. Download web editor. 5. Construct your page. 6. Find a web server. 7. Upload the page. 8. Promote your page. 9. Monitor web traffic. Warning: do not neglect the above. Be sure to take this advice seriously, there's more. If you are tired of all the guesswork and really hate stumbling around in the dark on building your online presence,